Thousands of people have turned out to watch the demolition of a Scottish power station. The twin chimney stacks at the former Cockensey power station were brought down simultaneously in a dramatic detonation. Each stack had 150 holes drilled into it, which were then filled with explosives. The power station was closed 2 years ago after it failed to meet new environmentally friendly standards. And just having another look at that again, it's an incredible shot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Love a good demolition shot.
Yeah,
To sort of implode instead of exploding.
It's great
there
if
we
you're
go.
an amateur filmmaker. You
Wouldn't
just
it?
want to spice
Get
up
the
your
slow-mo
film.
happening.
I wonder if there's much else going on in Cockensey on a Saturday.
Oh, of course there is.